Start with a size 18 dry fly hook. Take wraps with your thread to form a base along the hook shank and end with your thread just past the hook point. Take a few hackle fibers for the tail and line them up against the side of the hook facing you. As you take wraps around the fibers, the friction will pull the tail fibers up towards the top of the hook shank. Trim off the waist and take wraps to smooth out the surface. Next, take a turkey biot feather and with the thicker stem facing the rear of the fly, tie in the biot about 1 centimeter from the tip. Trim the waist end of the tip once the biot is secure, then work your thread to behind the eye of the hook. I like applying a tiny dab of superglue to keep these wraps together, as biot can sometimes come undone. Using hackle pliers, take wraps so that the thicker stem segments the abdomen to your liking. End 2 or 3 eye lengths behind the eye and take wraps with your thread to secure the biot. Trim off the biot waist end and take a few wraps to smooth out the base. Take a single CDC feather and pinch it so that the tip of the tuft is about the length of a hook shank. Using pinch wraps, tie it in right where the biot ends. Once secure, trim off the waist end of the CDC and take wraps to form a smooth base once more. Grab a Grizzly Rooster hackle feather and pull off about 1/4 inch of fibers from the base of the stem. Tie it in with the stem pointing towards the front of the fly and the shiny top of the feather facing you. You can spin your bobbin counterclockwise to make the thread curl towards the rear of the fly as you tie in the hackle. Take 3 or 4 touching wraps, giving yourself enough space to do a whip finish. Secure your hackle by taking a few thread wraps on top of the waist end of your hackle. Trim off the hackle along with any errant fibers. Whip finish, trim, and apply head cement if you'd like. If your hackle is a bit oversized like mine is, you can trim off the bottom to match the hook gap. This pattern fishes like a traditional dry fly, but the CDC gives it an emerger profile, so it mimics 2 mayfly shapes. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments.